to another video. You guys, this is episode 2 of our little holiday in Kanchanaburi, Erawan National Park to be exact. If you guys didn't see the first episode, please go back and watch it because there are some important information you might want to know if you'd like to come and visit this national park. Anyway, it's time to get up and start this beautiful day. This is the shower and toilet. All the stalls are like this. They're all pretty clean, which I'm very happy about. And then outside, whoa, I nearly died. The sink area is like very minimalist, but it functions, and there's a mirror. Good morning. I'm gonna wash my face, brush my teeth, and then show you guys the view. Check out the ambiance, you guys. It is so nice, and I really love the fall colors. And I was actually down over here because I was trying to spot some new camp spots so that we can change and have this undisturbed view of the river. Check that out. Wow. Good morning, Hannah. How did you sleep last night?
Yes.
Did you sleep well?
No.
No, you didn't sleep well? Oh, there's a cat that looks like ours. Batman, what are you doing here? Anyway, my husband is making some coffee. And look at that gorgeous view. Well, it could be better without the tents in front of us, but we will take it. I had a really good night's sleep. How did you sleep last night?
Not bad.
Not bad. It was actually pretty cold. I'm so glad that we brought sleeping bags.
So cold.
Was it so cold? Yeah. And yeah, we had a really good night's sleep. Everything was very quiet. We woke up because of the sunshine and, well, noise all around us. But yeah, overall pretty great. I was looking at other like camp spots because I wanted like full view of the river, but my husband said no, we're fine here. Which is true because this area where we are is like really flat compared to a lot of the areas that they have, and like the great spots aren't available. So we will stay here and have a partial river view.
Moroccan coffee.
Thank you. Do you want some coffee, Hannah?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Hannah had her breakfast already.
De café, je crois. Non, mais dedans.
Oui, j'ai compris.
Papa.
We saw a huge lizard. I don't know where it went. It was down there next to the boat. It was there. Where did it go, Hannah?
I don't know. Il est passé là et replongé dedans.
Ah, it's underwater. But anyway,
C'est un drôle.
check out this beautiful view.
Maman, c'est un
There were people right there, like with their tents. I wanted to move our tent, but I don't think my husband wants to move. But honestly, if those people go as well, I'd love to move our tent and set up camp over there. So we have like full view of the river. But I'd really have to like convince my husband because we're all set up here. I don't know. We'll see. It wasn't a crocodile, baby. It was a lizard. It was a big, 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 big lizard. Oh, there it is. Here it is, Hannah. There he is. Y'all see that? It swims like a crocodile, y'all. It's gonna go on the other side. He swims better than me. Hannah was like, Mama, there's a crocodile. I was like, no, Hannah. And then I saw it. I had to double check. I was like, oh, shit. No, it's just a big, like a Komodo lizard. My husband and I went to 7-Eleven, got a bunch of goodies and some ice in our ice chest. Yes, and we also got some chicken. And Hannah's gonna have her lunch, and then we're gonna go to the waterfall. Yay! And for lunch, we got this pre-made meal from a Turkish guy in Pattaya, and we're just heating it up. We have some like meatballs and potatoes, and the other one right here is like macaroni and I think beef or something. And by the way, we're staying in our location because we don't want to move.
Yes.
He doesn't want to move. I wanted to move. But no, this location isn't bad, but I just wanted like a full view of, you know, the river.
Sometimes you cannot get what you want.
Sometime you can.
You don't have to force.
But anyway, yeah, we're gonna have some lunch and then we're gonna go and check out the waterfall. Maybe do a little swim. We're not quite sure. We'll see if the water's cold or not. I'm sure it's gonna be really, really cold because it was really cold in the shower, and apparently the water comes directly from the waterfall. So yeah, we're gonna check it out, but at least we'll have a little nice walk after lunch. Alright, man.
Can you try?
Oh, thank you. Yummy. Lunch was delicious. Unfortunately, Camila wasn't feeling so well, so she just slept in for basically the whole entire day. We just had our lunch. We have some leftover rice. Yeah, we're gonna go and see if we can give our leftover rice to some fish. Oh, wow, what a beautiful, beautiful day, y'all. By the way, those people didn't leave. They just backed their tent up a little bit because they were like in the sun. So now they're in the shade. At first I was wondering why, like what's going on, but now I understand. It's not fun to go camping in full sun, you guys.
It's not camping.
Do you like camping, Hannah?
Yes.
Yes. Are you having a lot of fun?
Yes.
Yeah.
Wonderful fun.
A lot of fun?
Yes.
This is so cool. Be careful, Hannah. Good job.
Attention, un trou, yeah.
Oui. Do we see any fish?
No. I don't see fish.
You don't see any fish? Attention. Là, attends.
Ça.
Ah, on n'est pas là.
Ça, yeah.
On va voir s'il vient. Doucement, pas trop. Un petit peu, un petit peu. On va voir s'il vient. Where are you, fish?
Là. Il n'y en a pas du tout. Mais c'est l'heure du maman. C'est pas l'heure de traîner mon dad. Là.
Attention, tu tombes dedans, Anna.
Ah, c'est
Wow. Look at the big trees, Hannah.
Attention.
It is so cool in here. Look at the trees. Wow.
Attends-moi, papa.
We made a little detour. Apparently they have like bungalows for rent here, right in front of the waterfall.
Attention, Anna.
This place seems very magical. Wow, Hannah. How cool.
Mais on va y à piscine.
Non, pas encore.
C'est pas là,
encore.
c'est pas là. Non, mais juste venir regarder. On est venu juste regarder ce qui se passe là. C'est bien, hein?
What? No, they look pretty nice, the bungalows. I just asked one of the staffs who works here, and she said that the bungalows back there is only one room, and they rent it out for 800 baht per night. So we have arrived at the very beginning of Erawan Waterfall. There are 7 levels. I'm not sure if we're gonna make up to the whole entire 7 levels. Yeah, let's go, let's go. We're gonna go swimming.
Yes. Alors, et page 1, et page 2, et page 3, et page 4, et page 5, et page 6.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
On est arrivé.
Are you ready, Daddy?
Yes.
Wow. So there are some carps in here. Can y'all see them? Down there. And apparently if you want to go swimming, you have to rent the life jackets. It's 20 baht per hour, I believe. We are now at the 2nd level. Hannah's like, I can't take it anymore. I just want to go swimming. I think this is the most beautiful level. Well, one of the most beautiful levels. There's a lot of people here, y'all. Like, a lot of people. Thais, foreigners, like, everybody. I don't blame them because this is a beautiful, beautiful spot. Let me show y'all. Hannah had a blast with her new friend. Unfortunately, my husband and I decided not to swim because it was pretty darn cold. It was too cold for me. I already had a cold shower that morning, and yeah, that was enough. But Hannah definitely had a blast with her new friend, and I think this was a great experience for her. Unfortunately, Camila was still not feeling great, so she stayed back at the camp and just decided to rest up. Voilà. T'as donné? T'as tout donné? Unfortunately, during this trip, we didn't find the waterfall to be that pretty or impressive as the trips before. I think it's because there were just way too many people. That's why the water wasn't so clear and it wasn't so blue. Overall, I highly recommend Erawan Waterfall. It's quite beautiful. Just go there while there are no major holidays. It is almost 4 o'clock and we are now back at our camp. Unfortunately, there are so many people next to us now. Like, we are surrounded by other campers. Thank goodness we came here a little bit earlier than they did and got this spot where no one is in front of us. Well, except for that guy, but he's like, oh yeah, a couple of meters away from us. But yeah, over there is like way too much sun in the area that I wanted to move to, and there are a lot of campers over there as well at the moment. But like, they've really put their tents like right next to ours, which is not too cool, but hey ho, that's life.
2 hours later.
Because we went camping right before New Year, it was quite festive. There were food stalls and hay bales so people can sit and watch the live band. It was an amazing atmosphere and Hannah and I really enjoyed ourselves. Anyway, that's going to be all for today's episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and more adventures to come in the next episode. แสนสดชื่นให้ระลึก